Prasad, physics teacher. Good morning, my dear students. Today I will explain chapter refraction of light at a plane surfaces. Today discuss about topics derive an expression for critical angle and explain about activity 6. Let's start the class. Derive an expression to find critical angle. Okay, already yesterday definition of critical angle completed. Okay, now derive an expression to find critical angle. See the diagram. Okay, this is horizontal line. This is vertical line. Vertical line is a normal line. Mention normal line N. Okay, upper side rarer medium. Upper side rarer medium. Okay, downside denser medium. Denser medium. Okay, let us consider the light ray that travel from denser medium to okay, after that refracted denser medium. Okay, refractive index n1 to refractive index n2. Okay, first medium to second medium. Okay, it is already find the angle of refraction is more than angle of incidency when a light travels from denser medium to rarer medium. Denser medium to rarer medium. From the angle of incidency I, R be the angle of refraction. Angle of refraction. From Snell's law, okay, Snell's law formula n1 sin I is equal to n2 sin R. Okay, this formula n1 sin I is equal to n2 sin R. Okay, next after that I am wrote n1 by n2. Okay, n1 by n2 is equal to sin R by sin I. Okay, sin R by sin I. n1 by n2 is equal to sin R by sin I. Okay, since C is equal to I. Okay, R is equal to 90 degrees. R is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, already told. Okay, angle of refraction is more than angle of incidency. Angle of refraction is more than angle of incidency. Okay, angle of refraction 90 degrees more than, this is 30. Okay, R value 90, I value 30. Angle of refraction more than angle of incidency. Okay, R is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, next one, n1 by n2 is equal to sin R. R is a 90 degrees, right? 90 degrees by sin, okay, I means C, right? C means critical angle. C means critical angle. Critical angle is equal to angle of incidency. C means critical angle. Okay, next one, N1 by N2 is equal to sin 90 degrees value 1. Sin 90 degrees value 1 in mathematical. Sin 90 degrees value 1 by sin C. Okay, now write sin C is equal to N1 by N2. Sin C is equal to N1 by N2. Okay, C is a critical angle. C is a critical angle. Okay, N1 by N2 is a refractive index. N1 by N2 is a refractive index. Okay, write sin C is equal to N1 by N2. Write N1 2. N1 2. Okay, since N12 is equal to N1 by N2. Okay, this is derive the expression for critical angle. Okay, C is a critical angle. Okay, N12 is a refractive index. This is derivation completed. Okay, next one, explain about activity 6. Question, why cannot you see a coin placed in water from the side of glass? Question, why cannot you see a coin placed in water from the side of glass? This is question. Take a transparent glass. Take a transparent glass. This is glass. Glass. Okay, after that with water. With water. With water. Take a transparent glass. With water. Next one, take a 2 rupees coin. Take a 2 rupees coin. Place a 2 rupees coin. Okay, bottom of the transparent glass. Bottom of the transparent glass. This is 2 rupees coin. This is 2 rupees coin. Okay, place a coin. Okay, place a glass tumbler on the coin. Observe the coin from the side of the glass. Observe the coin side of the glass. You can see the coin. Now fill the glass tumbler with water and observe the coin from the side glass tumbler. Okay, now you cannot see the coin because the coin rises up. The coin rises up. Rises up. Okay, this is due to refraction. This due to refraction. Okay, this is activity 6. Activity 6 practical. Okay, activity 6 practical. Take a plastic glass. Take a plastic glass. Okay, now take a with water. Take a with water. With water. Take a plastic glass with water. Next one, take a 2 rupees coin. This is 2 rupees coin. 2 rupees coin. Okay, place plastic glass on the coin, on the coin, on the coin, on the coin. Okay, observe the coin from the side of the glass. Observe the coin side of the glass. You can see the coin. Now fill the glass with water and observe the coin from the side of the glass. Side of the glass. Okay, see, observe. See, observe. Coin from the side of the glass. Now you cannot see the coin. Now cannot see the coin because the coin rises. Coin also rises. Okay, see, coin also rises. Okay, this is due to refraction. This due to refraction. Okay, this is practical. Okay, you see this coin. Okay, rises. Coin also rises. Okay, coin also rises or size, big size. Okay, this is activity 6. Okay, activity 6 practically prove.